Welcome back. The Lagos State government recently repealed its 2001 land use charge law and replaced it with the revised land use charge law of 2018. Protests trailed that review, with many rejecting the newly passed law. We have a recap of what happened and an update.
After a 7-day ultimatum to the Lagos State government to reverse the charges elapsed, this was the protest staged by the Ikeja branch of the Nigerian Bar Association. Led by the chairman of the branch, Adesina Ogulano, the lawyers, joined by some other civil society groups and non-governmental organizations, walked from the Bar Center of the Ikeja High Court to the Lagos State House of Assembly and then to the governor's office, carrying placards, singing solidarity songs and generally expressing their disapproval over the increase in the land use charge. They called on Governor Akinwumi Ambode and his lawmakers to suspend the enforcement of the reviewed law and such other excessive taxes on the basis that it will create hyperinflation in food, transport, accommodation, among other things, for Lagosians. They also urged the government to conduct extensive consultations with stakeholders before carrying out any further review or increase.
They increase salary and benefits of their own employers for 15 years. That's poor mathematics, poor economics, and insensitivity.
48 hours after the lawyers' protest, the state governor, through the Commissioner for Finance, Mr. Akemi Ashade, announced a major reduction in the rates, as well as a waiver in the penalty for late payments across board. At a press briefing held in Alausa, the Commissioner said the reduction was the outcome of dialogue with stakeholders.
In line with this administration's tradition of inclusive governance and civic engagements, and is a government that is committed to the welfare of its citizens and understands the importance of continuously engaging the populace, we undertook extensive dialogue with various stakeholders on the land use charge LUC revised law and its implementation. Consequently, we received a wide range of responses from our dialogue with various stakeholders on the amended land use charge law 2018. These various interactions formed the subject of extensive deliberations at the meeting of Lagos State Executive Council on Wednesday, March 14, 2018. It is our fervent desire to ensure that we empower every property owner with self-assessment provisions of the law. Therefore, we shall forward to the Lagos State House of Assembly for review and passage the following regulations. A. The regulation for review of applicable rates and regime of reliefs on categories of properties pursuant to LUC law. B. The regulation for framework for self-assessments. The basic components of this is the cuts in commercial charges by 50%, reduction in charges for owner-occupier with third party, including industries and manufacturing concerns, by 25%.
The NBA Ikeja branch has, however, rejected the reduction announced by the government. The chairman of the branch says it is fraudulent, oppressive, and anti-democratic. Mr. Ogulano also says that, contrary to the government's claim, there was no meeting between any representative of the branch and the state government, and the lawyers will continue to insist that the government does the right thing.